16 coolest gadgets you can actually buy. Number 16. The BOOX Tab ePaper Tablet. Nearly all displays release damaging blue light. What if you had a tablet with an e-book-like ePaper display? The BOOX Tab Ultra ePaper tablet is here. With crisp 10.3-inch display running Android 11, it is significantly larger. It includes a robust system that enables you to carry out your regular activities. However, its biggest benefit is an ePaper screen with super updated technology that makes working on it more comfortable. It's simple to use the device to flip through pages, access apps, capture screenshots, jot down notes, sign documents, and other things. Additionally, it enables excellent document scanning when you need it thanks to the 16-megapixel rear camera. You must type a lot. Here, the stand and magnetic keyboard are essential. You can easily navigate by utilizing buttons, gestures, and magnetic stylus. Your new PC is much more comfortable for your eyes. Number 15. Aroma Diffuser. The diffuser is a fantastic method to scent and moistens your living space or working area, but this one actually strengthens that impact. It begins to shine with a calming yellow light as soon as you switch it on. As a result, it makes great nightlight. Overall, it functions exactly like any other comparable product. You add some water and your preferred fragrance and turn on the electricity. When there is not enough water, it will shut off on its own. Number 14. Nimble Wireless Travel Kit. With the aid of our Nimble Wireless Charging Travel Kit, you can keep charged while traveling anywhere in the world. Up to 3 devices can be charged simultaneously using the dual USB charger and wireless pad. One device can be placed vertically or horizontally on the wireless charging pad, while 2 additional devices can be plugged into the USB charger. Additionally, there is a built-in cable management, so you can keep everything organized while you're on the go. Number 13. Zhiyun Smooth 5S. Mobile filmmakers and content producers are aware that extra equipment is cumbersome, expensive, and labor-intensive. A nice gimbal that suits everything is therefore literally a blessing from the Lord. Both vertical and horizontal shooting is supported by Smooth 5S by Zhiyun, which also keeps a variety of simple controls close at hand. Searching for a different viewpoint, you can film in low and extremely broad angles thanks to the 3 built-in orthogonal pivot axis. Even though it weighs the same as your phone, it can shoot up to 25 hours and firmly hold your smartphone in place with various accessories such as filters. Is it too dim here? Turn on the built-in light and don't forget to attach one of the 160 square foot illuminating magnetic lights. Oh, you intend to shoot a runner? Okay, that will be handled without compromising the image quality with the built-in stabilization. All of it for such a bargain. Number 12. Cordless Air Duster. You never realize how dirty your laptop computer or any other equipment is unless you clean it. Utilize the Dorobeen air duster to solve that issue. Its potent 41,000 RPM motor can propel air at a speed of more than 42 miles per hour and clean all that dust from electronics. Although the blower speed can be changed, it also works flawlessly with keyboards, computer parts, and photographic equipment due to its wide range of users. Not to mention that the blower is rechargeable and has a 3-hour runtime at low speed. That will thoroughly clean your soiled keyboard. Number 11. The Brow. Let's revive the unibrow trend. It's just a sun visor that shields your eyes from harsh sunlight, alright? Why not eyewear? When the sun is shining at a particular angle, they are completely worthless. Wear this item like regular glasses to enjoy outdoor activities like golf, surfing, and sunny beach strolls. Keep in mind, however, that this sun visor won't shield your eyes from UV rays, so perhaps you might want to switch up your accessories. Number 10. Lovelink Infinity Lamp. How can you let your far-off family members know you're thinking of them right now? This lamp, or perhaps it's better to say these lamps, allow you to do that. Given that the kit includes at least 2 bulbs, put your hand in the ring center, it will start to glow with the color you've selected right away. The other lamp also does. But in addition, let's leave a voicemail. You may definitely let them know how much you miss them. Number 9. Meter Plus. With this thermometer, it won't matter if you're not very skilled at cooking meat. You may check the interior meat temperature and the oven or grill temperature using 2 built-in sensors. It's wireless, so you can leave the kitchen and continue to keep an eye on your food while mingling with your friends outside. You can get all the information you require in the app. Furthermore, the advanced estimator algorithm offers cooking and rest guidance that enables you to effectively manage your time while cooking. And the guided cook system aids in producing consistently tasty outcomes. Number 8. Apex Pro Mini Keyboard. Meet the quickest keyboard ever created. That is at least what the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini's manufacturer claims. Compared to other standard keyboards, it is 60 smaller, but it has the features of a full-sized keyboard. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, all lags and latencies are drastically reduced, so there is no limitations on your ability to work or play games. For effective gaming shortcuts, you can program 2 different actions to the same key in this keyboard. Number 7. Angry Miao Keyboard. Did you type for a long time? The Miao AM Hatsu 3D Split Keyboard ensures that you are pain-free and comfortable while working. You'll be able to type for a longer period of time with little discomfort as a result. Additionally, this 3D split keyboard supports simultaneous connections to 3 devices over 2 wireless communication protocols. Overall, it's a cool and practical office tool for regular use. Number 6. Roiskin Case. Do you travel with your iPad at all times? Make every effort to safeguard it with a suitable case. Your gadget will be safe with this one from Roiskin, even if you drop it or use it to peel nuts. The rotating ring on the back functions similarly to a ring holder on a phone, so feel free to change the mode as necessary. The iPad may be mounted to any vertical surface using the latch, whether it is vertical or horizontal, at the required angle, or simply mounted. Oh, additionally, a stylus holder is provided. There is a possibility that you won't lose it again. Number 5. FoldiBox. What's inside that box? It's suitable for any occasion you can think of. Pinch 2 diagonal corners if you need a plate for a snack, and the integrated magnets will ensure that you have a bowl available. Want to dispose of food trash, arrange your desktop, and clear the stickers from your workspace? Having trouble feeding the dog? For all those problems, you now have a box. Since this item is composed of silicone, it is secure. Number 4. Air Computer Mouse. Did you think it was a good idea to keep foldable items on hand? Here is a mouse that functions the same way. Simply fold it and use it. It functions exactly like any other typical mouse. When not in use, the space between the 2 buttons, which also serves as the mouse wheel, can be unfolded to transform the mouse into a tortilla. Number 3. Moonwalkers. Is it feasible to walk quickly as you run? It is indeed. If you are wearing these shoes, Moonwalkers will move when you move and halt when you stop by using machine learning techniques. These shoes, according to the manufacturer, are the quickest in the world since they increase walking speed by up to 250% and allow you to travel up to 6 miles on a single charge. 8 polyurethane wheels are driven by a brushless DC motor in conjunction with a gearbox to simulate much larger diameter wheels that can climb over uneven terrain. You must ascend the steps. No problem, just make a short motion to lock the shoes. Number 2. Wuben X2 Flashlight. Isn't this tiny model a useful alternative to carrying a full-sized flashlight? It has a variety of brightness settings and is fairly powerful. Because the device is only 3 inches long, you may hang it around your neck, put it in your backpack, or clip it into the pocket of your jeans. It is only 4 ounces in weight. Is it necessary to charge it? Consider the lanyard, which features an integrated charging wire. On a single charge, you get an absurd 80 hours of use. Of course, the brightness level is a factor. Finally, this item is reliable and water-resistant, making it the ideal travel companion. Number 1. Lark M1 Microphone. Still experiencing audio issues? The Lark M1 Duo wireless microphone system could be the ideal choice for use with camcorders, laptops, and smartphones. Since it consistently records sounds within a 650-foot radius, it can withstand noisy surroundings. 1 dual-channel receiver and 2 transmitters with omnidirectional mics are included in the system. Each transmitter has clips on the back that let you fasten them to a shirt's lapel, which is cool. The receiver is compatible with cell phones and cameras. For more details, you can check the link in the description. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.